Hello. Hello. Hi, good morning. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு மார்க்கெட் எப்படி பர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு சின்ன வியூ பார்த்துடலாம். ஸோ இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லைக் மந்த்லி சார்ட். ஸோ மந்த்லி சார்ட் இஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்லி bearish. ஸோ next we'll come to the weekly chart. So weekly chart also it's like kind of a bearish looks like, because it's kind of a neutral. It's not a bearish actually, it's a neutral. So how the day is going to perform, let's say. So market is open in the balance area. It's in the yesterday POC. You can see the POC A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Almost the many times it has been touched the same locations, and you can see day before yesterday also the same level. So that's the like prominent POC. So the same place got opened and then it's getting balanced now. Let's see so what will happen in another couple of hours. And see, we were marked some levels here, the ledge. So this was the super ledge. So the super ledge levels which we have marked. So the marker has been come to this level, and then it's going to test that areas, and then you can see some buyers are get trapped, and then the sellers are more aggressive. And let's see on this area how they are going to perform it. course, here also like yesterday also there are some ledge has been made here. See, these places was very important. So again, it has been find the area. So let's make a context over here only. Let me delete a few things because this is value very low. Okay, this is value very high. Value very high, and this line will delete it. Yeah, let's come. So monthly, bearish, weekly, neutral, daily, opening balance, and waiting for to test the super ledge levels marked in below. Okay, so this was the market context which we are making now. So let's see, levels has been come to this area, and here you can see sellers are there still, but buyers have not entered anywhere here. So let's find out the next balanced area where it is, because here in higher level there is a balanced area we just check. So this is like kind of not a complete profile, it's just a flat profile. So we need to do work on the complete profile. So we need to find out the complete profile where located it. So based on that we'll be like doing the further trade executions. See here, this area is looks like a complete profile. So balanced area here, and here also it looks like, but this area I won't recommend actually. So this area it's little bit kind of a flat, like all trees are same, but here and here I don't think so this will be workout. But if it is breaks this POCs and this ledge and all, then after we can expect market somewhere below the level of it. And of course we will see the OA data as well. So OA data what it says. So based on that we will be planning further. See, exactly the level has come. Exactly the level has come, and then it is just pushing over there. But still the buyers are not entered. Only the sellers are there. And even though the see for our order flow footprints has been shifted, and then it is in the down area. Let's wait for a moment. So don't hurry to push our orders and then get it done fast. You can see the chart actually OA is sensible actually which we are using now, so we can analyze our trades like kind of open interest and all we will analyze here. You can see here I think put OA has changed 1.36 crore and call OA has been changed, it is increased almost to 2.62 crores. So you can see the market completely in the bearish mode. So let's wait for another 4 days are there, and then 2 days also the holidays are there. So based on that you plan your trade accordingly. You can see overall entire market till 5th May, only the bullish sign which we can able to see in 24,000. After that only I think below that only the put writers are there, and after that and all completely call writers has been increased. So we don't know, so like based on the geopolitical tensions and whatever it is, and even though next 2 days is holidays, so people are don't wanted to take risk in these areas, kind of especially in the put writing side. So that's what. So OA change we have seen now open interest also. Let's see. So how many people are total call OA is around 6.86 crore and total put OA is almost 5.95 crore and PCR is 0.87 and Nifty is level at of 24,029. So let's see what will happen further. You can see here that multi OA strike, which is in 24,200, have a highest call OA 93 lakh and 24,100 put OA is almost 62 lakhs. So that means strongly the buyers are like sellers are dominating the market. Okay, let's come back to the chart. Completely sellers has been dominated, and here's buyers are entered, but still sellers are maybe getting absorbed in this area. So let's see before what happened in these levels, and based on that actually we can able to like kind of view we have for today. This is the prominent like POC. The POC has been here, and but this area I don't see any kind of a balance actually. So if you come in market profile, this area I would prefer. So it has been pushed and it's failed also. Let's see. There are many anomalies also is here. So these anomalies actually we can trade anomaly with a low volume, especially it will give you the pullback. But if you are finding a market balance, so it will be around 23,700, I can say. And let's merge some profile and we'll see the balance where we are getting. See, exactly it all 23,700 that level, right? Here actually, but here this area is looks it's not balanced actually. One area is completely balanced but other side is nothing, so the volume has to be developed somewhere here. So let's see, market has been many times touched this level and then given a pullback. So this area also we will be having in our watch list. So this area also we will be just watching area. So we'll just mark this level and keep it ready. And don't be like kind of aggressive on today because market has opened in the balance and then it got rejection also from there, value very high and value very high rejection once got it and it came down. Most of how many points we came down from there, like see almost around 200 points. So the POC is still in upper side. Anyway, this level is in now no more, so I think we don't want to watch this level now. So we can just delete it off it because it's already crossed and then it's coming down. So we watched in mark the next anomalies kind of areas. So let's watch this place. Hi ma'am, good morning. So today market view we just saw actually. So let me explain once again. See, actually the monthly it looks like bearish. It's a bearish actually. So weekly I have seen like kind of a neutral market, and then if I come to daily, it has been opened in the balanced area, and then it went and touched the value very high, and it has been rejected from there. So it's completely came back to this level. So this level, why I have marked here, so many times actually this area has been tested and then it has been rejected to the this area. You can see the profile on 10/4 2026. So this levels, but even this levels also got broken because sellers are very like kind of aggressive mode in this case. So we can see here as well, like see here. So you can see here actually many sellers are there. We could not able to hold the levels actually. The buyers could not able to stop also because they are already trapped here. See here, see they are trapped here. These buyers and sellers and all, I think you can see some kind of indicators traders actually. So they got trapped and then the levels has been come down. So you can see clearly which side actually we have the hold. So that side we can able to trade accordingly. Like yes, of course it's crossing the levels as well here. So it's finding a balance areas. So the balanced areas which I can able to say, like this I can able to say this is the very highly balanced area. And today is Friday, so still the opportunities is less because Fridays are like Saturday Sunday it is a holiday, so we could not able to hold any trade further. So this area I would prefer the market if it is comes and touch and it take the levels back to the again, but it will not happen in a day. It's almost around 400 day, but we could not able to predict anything like market is superior, so anytime it can perform. And here are some anomalies are there. So these anomalies actually it is along with the low volume also. So low volume areas are here. You can see this area also got rejection from here. So we wait for some few more levels. I think this levels itself it's getting respect. So let's see buyers are how they are reacting to here. You can see in a live itself the buyers are reacting to this level, but there are many sellers are there here. So market when it will be returned back for opposing them, actually it's required a very good like kind of initiative bias is required. And let's see on the volume profile and market profile. The market profile you can see is completely shifted based on the yesterday views, and then even though the volume profile also got shifted, and you can see this is a prominent POC. Like this is kind of a like uh, this areas got rejected again. This areas got rejected, and again this is a rotation market yesterday. So, and even though the same place got opened, so that's where actually a little hesitate to take any kind of a trade in this place. So even I see in the footprint chart the many sellers are there, so I could able to go the trade. My FOMO was there, but still I don't wanted to take a trade because proper setup is required for us to follow. So that's why I did not take in any trades till now. So let's wait for some time. Maybe we'll get like a special trade, like kind of it. So waiting is the key. And moreover, this content is only for the educational purpose. Now, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, and please trade responsibly. Hi, actually, you can see here this levels. So this levels actually the sellers are getting observed in this area. Let's see another 10 minutes actually, 5 to 10 minutes mostly. So if sellers are getting observed, I think this levels is going to be respect further. So we can find some trade over here. And POC also is got shifted because before it was in the upper side, now it is got shifted to downside. Like you can see, it was a prominent POC on the last time where it is the levels, the same levels it has come. So, so we'll see. So how it's going to be get developed in this area. So accordingly, we will be planned for our trades for the day. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was just marking the levels, like for next reference levels where we can expect the markets. But here, this level is itself, I think the buyers will respond to the sellers. So I just wanted to reconfirm once again. Hope you have hear my voice. If you hear, just type yes now. Hi, ma'am. If you are hearing my voice, just comment on yes. Okay. Actually, I just put in a mute and then I marked the levels actually for to find where market is going to be next levels. So I was marking some anomalies these areas and these areas and all. It's kind of expectations areas that are target can be expected these places. So there I had marked and then after I could able to explain you guys. So this area also got broken and still like market is finding somewhere in a balance actually. It's going to be a rocking day today for sellers. So who knows? Like let's see. So already I told you expected view where it will be. So I'm waiting for a the market is finding for a balance. So this area have a balance actually in the market as per my like kind of a concept which I'm following for market profile and volume profile. So this area have a more balanced. So if market has been broken these levels, then we could able to expect somewhere here. And I think from the start of the month itself, I had shared my view actually the where it's going to be, the market is going to be performed. Like you guys, I think you can see. Let me switch off these levels. Yeah. Now I think you were able to see clearly, right? These levels we marked, whatever it is. This is for the intraday we marked. But see, this area the expected of this month. So today is 24th. So we will be another 6 days are there. I think trading days, if you see, it only like 1, 2, 3, 4 days only for this month the trading, and then the Monday is going to be expiry, right? I think Tuesday is going to be expiry. So based on that, we can plan our trade in like kind of a weekly trade, kind of a positional trade. And see these levels I'm expecting 23,594 in above, just above there is a balance. So here it can come and it can do something like kind of a consolidation here. So based on that, we can expect our target as well. See, as I told you here, let's drawing. Yes, some responsible buyers are come here. Let's see. So what's how the this area is going to perform. So based on that, we will be plan something here. Yeah, I can say the levels actually what it is like. Now the balance has been come in 24,000, and even OA data also, if you see the 24,000 levels has been a like kind of a support was there, like not a support I could say, like the put writers are more in the 24,000. Now you see call writers has been increased. Let me show my screen. Hope you can see my screen on this like OA writing. See this open interest. Total call actually before it was put writers was more, but now call writers are increased. Almost 6.59 crore, 6.6 crore was put, and 9.3 crore was call OA. So that means clearly the market shows that in bearish mode. So buyers are trying to push market upside, but 24,000 also it cannot hold. So I think we can find a balance somewhere here in these levels, like where we can able to expect the 23,686 to 26,000, 23,626. So these areas we could able to find out. So let's see and how the market is performing, and these levels just we will go and watch on the our footprint chart. So footprint chart, you can see some responsible bias also has been entered. You can see here like responsible bias has been entered and sellers got exhausted this place. Let's wait for some time and then let's go for calculation of day wave, like kind of a what kind of a day we are expecting today. So B period is almost is going to be finished. I think 8:45 is going to be finished. Another 10 more minutes are there to form a B period. So I think another 5 minutes we'll wait and after we will make the day, what kind of a day is going to be today. So that wave we will be seeing further. So actually sellers are in this place mostly, so let's wait for some time so we could able to do anything or not. So let's see so how the allocations is going to be performed. So later we'll get it done. Today is mostly the seller spot, so sellers they're performing well. And as I mentioned, this anomalies, I think our next place to get it done. But for balanced area, I can say only this place. So balanced area, only that place I can able to say. So we'll see. So what will happen further in the market? So the range got extended again here. So that's what is going in the market. So thank you so much for joining. So we'll be seeing tomorrow.